In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to show folder size or file size in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate to the button search bar and type for File Explorer. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, click on Open to continue. You can also press Windows key and letter E as an eagle key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. Now, in order to locate or find or show the file size, the very first step that you can do is just have to locate your cursor here. Okay, just have to navigate to the downloads in my case. Just locate the cursor, and in that way you would be able to see the file size here in your file explorer. So this size is 7.32 MB is what it's being stated here. The next file is having a 308 bytes. This one has 98 bytes. This one has 406 KB or kilobyte, or this one has 8.24 KB. Just have to locate your cursor to that particular file or folder, and in that way you would be able to find out or show the size here in your file explorer. Another step that you can do is by making a right click, okay, and by going to the properties. There you can see the file size or the folder size that that particular application has to. Click on OK. And when you make a right click to the zip file, just make a right click, go with properties also, and there you have that you can see the size of that zip file. As well as here in the image or photo, by making a right click, go with properties. In that way, you would be able to show up the size or to identify the size of that particular image or photo. Same as well in the music or in the videos that you are having, just do the same step and you would be able to check or show the file size on that particular image, photo, or even music. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.